Sanibona, ngithi ngiqale ngokubonga nje ngaphambi kwasingene kwividiyo yanamuhla. Ngibonga kakhulu isaphothi nothando eningipha lona. Ngiyacela ukuthi niqhubeke nisapothe njalo ngokubuka le channel. Subscribe ne-like and share. Asingene-ke kwividiyo yanamuhla.
Emavikini adlule sikhulumile ngodaba lwamanzi. Saveza lapho khona bekuyi-portfolio committee khona kukhulunywa kusePhalamende. Lapho uMamkhawula azivezela khona ukuthi ngisho amanzi, ingxenye yamanzi i-privatized, onwa ezinye izalukazi nje zabelungu. Enye inkinga esinayo. Okwesibili okwavela ukuthi kunalento okuthiwa ama-water tank mafias, okuyibona benza ukuthi abantu basokole kakhulu ngamanzi. Into kodwa edala yonke lento le, kwabazokhumbula, ikhona ividiyo engake ngayenza la ngangikhuluma khona ngomnyombo we-corruption, ukuthi isizathu esenza ukuthi sibe ne-corruption la eSouth Africa ibe ngaka yini. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi lapho ezinye zezinto ezabalwa nje ukuthi ithi siyenzekile i-corruption, akekho noyedwa umuntu owake waboshwa. Okusho ukuthi nayi project yokwakha umgwaqo ibiphumile, yaphuma imali, kwakhona ikhampani award tender. Umgwaqo awakhiwe, imali ayikho, kodwa kukaze kwabosha umuntu. Ngoba isizathu senza lokho ukuthi labantu abathola lamathenda ba-politically connected. Into yokuqala nje eyinkinga ukuthi bona labantu abathola amathenda ba-politically connected. Kunodaba nje, kunevideo engiyibonile la yawudisturba kancane ingqondo. Yasiyenza ngikhumbule ukuthi konje ukube nje kuthiwa abantu bayaboshwa mawuthola ithenda wangawenza umsebenzi kahle uyaboshwa, ngabe le nkinga ayikho. Singakafiki nje ukuthi konje umuntu othola ithenda usuke efanele nawe ukuyithola. Asingakafiki nje lapho, ngoba siyazi sonke ukuthi if nje u-politically connected ithenda uzoyithola. So ngifisa ke sikhulume ngaleyo nto leyo. Kunevideo engiyibonile ngizoyicaphuna manje mabili. Nanodaba lokuthi amanzi bekunembiko ethi ngathi nje uJune abantu base-Gauteng bazoba nenkinga namanzi ngoJune. Kodwa-ke ophethe amanzi uyakuphika lokho, sizomcaphuna naye sizwe ukuthi uthini. Kodwa nje bengithi angikhumbuze ukuthi yonke le nkinga idalwa ukuthi abantu abasuke benikezwa amathenda bawathola ngoba be-politically connected. Ingakho noma bengasawenzanga umsebenzi bengaboshwa ngoba kukhona nje uminister owa-investigate ama-Hawks. Kwathiwa ama-Hawks ayiqedile i-report, ayinikeza i-NPA, akaze a-prosecute kuze kube namhlanje. Uyaqhubeka uyasebenza bese si-expect ukuthi i-corruption izophela.
Well, look at what the water mafia is doing. This truck is taking water to communities. It's loaded, right? But they've got valves open so that the water can go to waste. So that by the time it gets to the communities, the truck is almost empty. He goes and he loads again, and he goes back and he invoices the government. I think this is a contractor to eThekwini municipality. The water is spraying on the road. 2 taps are open, one on the left, one on the right. I think it's a deliberate ploy to get the water wasted so that by the time they get to the community, it's almost empty and they charge or they invoice government. This is corruption. This is work of the water mafia. Okay, to be fair to the guy, I stopped him, showed him that the valves are open. I tried to stop him because he's in motion. Showed him that the valves are open, water is leaking. He shows me a thumbs up, meaning he's fine with it. No, he can't be fine. This is my money being wasted. I will attempt to stop him again, but this is the work of the water mafia. Look at what they are doing. They load water, leave valves open, drive to communities. By the time they get there, the tanker is almost empty. But they will invoice for a full load. This nonsense must stop. This government here must take responsibility for this nonsense. Tenders must fall.
Kunjengoba ubona ukuthi lo muntu lo eyavuza amanzi. Hayi ukuthi akabonanga ngoba phela utsheliwe kodwa athi konke ku-right. Njengoba esho nje ubhuti lokuthi uzofika emphakathini amanzi esengasekho bese isimo siphoqa ukuthi ngoba abantu bazobe benganelile bese isimo siphoqa ukuthi akabuyele emuva yoloader futhi amanzi ezophinda abuye. So labantu bazakhela bona futhi amathuba omsebenzi. Into edala yonke lento amathenda. Into edala nje yonke lenkinga amathenda. Ukube nje ayikho ithenda yalamanzi uhulumeni noma umasipala unama-water tanker wakhe uma ngathiwa kunenkinga amanzi ukhipha ama-water tanker wakhe ahambisela abantu amanzi emphakathini ngabe le nkinga ayikho. Ngabe nje lamanzi uwabona evuza lapha ngaba wekho ingakho ngithi thema ngibona le video aphazamisa ingqondo yami ngave ngathi ngcono ngiyirekhode le nto le ngikwazise ngodaba lwamanzi. Ngisho ngoba zikhona iy'ndawo ngiyawafunda ama-comment khona iy'ndawo la abantu basho khona ukuthi baneminyaka amanzi bengenawo sebephila ngawo lo ma-water tank. Funa bazi-ke abantu ukuthi isizathu esenza ukuthi baphile ngama-water tank ukuthi bayibhizinisi. Usizi lwenu luyibhizinisi kwabanye abantu. So kodwa-ke ekugcineni kosuku yithi nami ngizibali esavotela i-ANC. Yithi nje ngokuvotela i-ANC asiqhubeke sidlule phambili.
A planned water maintenance project by water utility Rand Water is expected to disrupt water provision in Gauteng from June until the 21st of July. The work by Rand Water is aimed at addressing leakages to replace aging infrastructure and to assist Gauteng municipalities in conserving water.
Ngobuzwa-ke kubekwa la ukuthi iGauteng ngenzeka phazamiseke amanzi so ngomhla ka-3 June kuze kushaya umhla ka-21 July. Sizozwa-ke CEO yase-Rand Water ukuthi thina ngoba iyona mbiko le ephumile noma sibone ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa kodwa-ke yena uziphikile lezi nkulumo lezi ezithi amanzi azongabi bikho kusuka ngomhla ka-3 kuJune kuze kushaya umhla ka-21 kuJulayi. Ngifisa ukucaphunela yena uzeni utheni kanti nominister uPhemi ukhona naye ngifisa ukumcaphuna futhi naye.
Rand Water CEO Sipho Musai has refuted claims that there would be a complete water cut during that period.
Doesn't mean there's going to be complete total shutdown. Different areas will be different at various periods of time. As we speak, most of Gauteng still has water. The areas in the main that do not have water are only in the Pretoria East, Mpumalanga, and parts of Ekurhuleni.
Ngoba umuzwa-ke ephika ukuthi cha amanzi akhona abantu banawo futhi akusizo zonke indawo phazamisekile ngokungabi namanzi. Uzibalele indawo njengoPretoria noMpumalanga nezinye nengxenye yaseKurhuleni engenawo amanzi futhi uthi amanzi lawa hayi ukuthi aweza ukuba bikho sidalo cha azonqamuka ngezikhathi ezithize aphinde abuye ngezikhathi ezithize ukuze bekwazi phela ukusebenza. Asiqhubeke siza ukuthi uminister yena utheni.
We do discuss the issue of non-revenue water. It is indeed a big problem. But I'd like to assure you, Minister, and the people of the province that we are looking into that issue. And we are also preparing even for more water that will be coming through the Lesotho Islands Water Project. So we are in discussions with municipalities.
As part of interventions to curtail the vandalism of water infrastructure by the water mafia, Water and Sanitation Minister Phemi Majodina says municipalities have been directed to in-source water tankers, which will only be utilized during emergencies.
We have already seen that there is deliberate vandalism on our water infrastructure because people want to get tenders. We are working with SAPS. The president has given me a clear mandate to say we must act and clamp down on all water tanker mafias who are robbing our municipalities and government.
Ngoba umuzwa-ke uminister uPhemi Majodina esho ukuthi cha impela umpresident umnikezile imandate bazolwa nalobugebengu basebenzisana ne-SAPS. Yabona nje ngesingami ngicabanga ukuthi uminister usho nje statement ngoba phambi kwamakhamera kune mic futhi phambi kwakhe. Ngiyabazi ke mina labantu uma kunamakhamera, ANC inamapholisa amahle kabi uma uwafunda noma uzwa kukhulunywa ngawo. Kodwa uma sekuthiwa kuya-implement yenziwa, ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abathola lamathenda, phandle uma ngathiwa le system yamathenda iyaphela, akusekho water tanker yomuntu ezothutha amanzi lapha, uhulumeni uzothenga ama-water tanker wakhe, hhayi lapho ngingavuma. Ngoba kuzobe kwaziwa ukuthi amanzi uma engekho ayeza ama-water tanker kamasipala. So besakhipha imali bona? Hawa, angibathembi nje. Kodwa ngiyacela ukuzwa umbono wakho. Ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Wena ngesingawe ubona le nto abathi bazoyenza bezokwazi ukuyenza ngempela na? Ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.